In this lesson, we want to see how we can determine if a given point lies to a given line or not. So we want to see if the point belongs to the line or does not belong to the line. So basically, a point will lie on a straight line if it satisfies its equation. All right, let's look at it with more detail. We know that each straight line has a rule or equation. Each straight line has a rule or equation. For instance, y equal to 2x plus 3 is the rule of the equation of a single straight line. Or y equal to 5x minus 3 is the equation of another line. And also for any point on the Cartesian plane, we know that it is given with two coordinates, x and y. For example, the point A with the coordinates of 2 and 5 is shown like this. A with a bracket, the first one is x, the second one is y. Now, we want to see if they give us a point with these coordinates, and if they give us a straight line with its equation, does this point belong to this line? In other words, does this point lie on this line or not once you graph them? And as we said, it will be the case only if the point satisfies the equation of the line. What does this mean? Satisfies the equation of the line. It means that we got to substitute the value of x of the point in the equation and work out what value for y we will get from the equation. If it is the same value of the y which the point has, then yes, the point belongs to the line. Let's do that for this example. As I said, I take my x value for the point. So x for the point is 2. The first one is the x. Substitute that in the equation. So it means replace x with that, this x value in the equation. So here I'm going to replace this x with the value of x, which is 2. So that gives me, I write the whole equation, y equals to 3x. Remember, 3x means 3 times x. I'm going to put that times back here. It doesn't show it here, but you got to put it here. And 3 times x, but x is 2. Then the rest of the equation, minus 1. All right, let's see what y value does this give us. then that means y equal to 3 times 2 is 6, then minus 1. And that becomes y equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. Now compare this y value with the y value of the point, and they are the same. So that means the point lies on the line. So as this y value is the same as the y value of the point, then the point P lies on the line. So the answer is yes, it lies on the line. Okay, let's look at another example, example 2. Does the point C with the coordinates of minus 1 and 2 belong to the line y equal to 5x plus 1? We do the same thing again. So what is the x value? The x value of the point is minus 1. I write this time like that, x equal to minus 1. So now what I'm going to do with this x value? I'm going to sub in this equation. So then y equals to 5x means 5 times x, and x is minus 1. So 5 times minus 1, then plus 1, the rest of the equation. So all I did here, I wrote this equation with its x value, which is minus 1, replacing the x. So 5 times minus 1 plus 1. Then that gives me y equal to 5 times minus 1 is minus 5, then plus 1. And minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. So that equation gave me y equal to minus 4. Now I compare it with the y of the point. The y of the point is 2. So we have a problem here because the two y's are not the same. That means the point C does not belong to this line. So as the y of the point C is 2, so it does not lie or does not belong to the line, on the line. Okay, so that is our lesson for today. Thank you very much for your attention.